Welcome to this video about constant acceleration involving gravity. I'm Mr. John from explainingmaths.com. It says a ball that is initially at rest falls from a height of 3 meters to the ground. Find the time that the ball takes to fall this distance. Then we're going to find the speed of the ball when it hits the ground. Okay, so it's constant acceleration, so we can use the equations of motion. But before we pick our equation, we have to write, or we want to write down all the information they give to us. So initially at rest, that's an important piece of information there. So at the beginning already, we sometimes miss it, but it means that u equals 0. Its initial velocity is 0. Falls from a height, so the distance or the displacement is going to be 3 meters to the ground. Okay, find the time. Now I'm going to take the downward direction as positive. So s equals 3, therefore a, the acceleration will be 9.8, the gravitational force. Find the time it takes for the ball to travel this distance, so what is t? Now, based on the information they give to me, I will pick the equation s equals ut plus half at squared, and I simply substitute every piece of information they give to me. 3 equals 0, 0t, which is 0, plus half times 9.8 times t squared. There you go. If you rearrange that and you square root it, then you're going to get t to 3 significant figures, 0.782 seconds. There you go. Now, if you would have picked upwards to be positive, then the acceleration would be minus 9.8, but also your displacement s would be negative 3, because you're going down. Okay, so those two negatives then will mean you also will get a positive answer. You always get the same answer, of course. Find the speed, question B, of the ball when it hits the ground. Again, based on the information, I pick an equation. There are several ways of doing it. I'm going to say v, the velocity equals initial velocity plus at. What is the velocity? Well, that's going to be, what is u? Well, u is still 0, and a is 9.8. And t, how long? 0.782. Try to use all those decimals rather than the rounded answer. So that equals to 3 significant figures, 7.67 meters per second. Fantastic. That's the velocity when the ball hits the ground. I hope it was useful. Like and share if it was, guys. And check my website, explainingmaths.com, for all the other free resources, including many mechanic resources. Take care. Bye-bye.